Okay, so we just paid for hotel for one more night, 490 baht. Really not that bad for, especially the location. Yeah, about 15 bucks. And I mean, it's right here on the beach. You got a nice little pool. We're only 2 people stay in this entire resort. So come along for the ride. We're gonna head up to the Big Buddha now. I think it's only about a 10 or 15 minute drive. Shouldn't be bad. The roads are very paved out here on Koh Samui. So we just made a quick pit stop. We saw a sign that said Crocodile Farm and King Cobra show. So we're gonna see if they'll do a show or if they're doing a show anytime soon. I would like to take a look at that. So unfortunately, they only have the crocodile show going on right now, which we have been to a couple crocodile farms back home in the States, so we're 100% interested on checking that out. I was really trying to see the King Cobra show. I want to see where they like kiss them on the nose and all that stuff. It'd be pretty wild. So maybe we'll look around for another one of those, but we're gonna keep heading on up to the Big Buddha. Let's roll. Okay, so we just parked here at the Big Buddha on Koh Samui. Looks like they got a bunch of little gift shops and stuff to buy some clothes at and things along those lines, sundresses and things, cover-ups. They have a little ice cream shop right here. They have smoothie shakes, so we're actually ordering a little watermelon smoothie before we head up in there. Our watermelon shake, they're super good here. So we're gonna grab one of those, and then we are gonna head into the entrance. I'm not sure if there's an entry fee or not, but we will find out. Oh wow, super refreshing. Coming up on the Big Buddha, it's like a golder one. All you guys with that tattoo, it's actually quite disrespectful, just so you know. Fun fact for you, and you're actually not supposed to, I believe they'll confiscate anything that you purchase if you try and fly home with that, and they see that, they'll actually take it. You're not allowed to fly home with that. So it's pretty, it looks cool, but very disrespectful. So we just purchased a candlestick with the incense. We're gonna head up here now and see what this is about. I'm not sure if you're allowed to record or not, so if I'm not, then I'll obviously shut this off, but if so, you'll see for the experience. Alright, so that was quite the experience. We lit some incense and the candles up there and said a little prayer. And then the monk came over and blessed us, said a couple chants to us, and sprung some holy water on us. We each got these little bracelets, I believe, for good luck. Yeah, just all around a cool experience, like meeting a monk. Didn't really make eye contact with him because I believe it's pretty disrespectful too, but wow, this thing is massive. Crazy. Very exciting. It's a hot day today, I will say that. I don't believe you have to take your shoes off up here. The floor is extremely hot. So yeah, I'm not sure about that, but wow, this is beautiful up here. We are literally the only ones up here right now. Not even a worker up here. This is crazy. I know you can never experience something like this here in Thailand before the pandemic. So one of the many great things of traveling, coming here to this beautiful country at this time, especially when they need it the most. A couple things you have to jump through, but the process is actually getting easier and easier each week. I believe now it's only a 7-day quarantine, not a 14-day quarantine. Every country is now allowed here in Thailand, so I believe that it's gonna start picking up here in tourism, but wow. I don't even think I can get the whole thing in the video, it's so big. Wow. I'm gonna get some quick pictures of Liv here in front of the Buddha, maybe sitting on the stairs right here. So give me a second and we will continue this. All right, wow, this is just still unbelievable to me, out of this world. The structure and the detail that they put in this Buddha up here is just gorgeous, ginormous, and the fact that you have these crystal blue waters surrounding the entire temple in 360 degrees, it's crazy. Like, look how blue it is out here. I don't know if the camera's gonna be able to do it the justice for you, but super aqua blue waters everywhere. I believe these are the different poses of the week. I'm pretty sure, I'm not 100% on that, don't quote me, but I think those are the different poses of the week. If you do know, make sure you drop a comment down below. I'm always looking to get more information on the culture, so if you know some more about it, please leave a comment and teach me. They got all these bells everywhere too, surrounding the place. I saw they had like wooden sticks that I think you're supposed to ring with them and maybe say a prayer or a chant. Not 100% sure, but wow, there's like a beach down there. It's pretty windy, so I'm a little nervous to fly the drone, but I might try and put it up at least in the front of the Buddha for a second and try and get a aerial shot for you guys. We learned that at the other Buddha on Phuket, which if you haven't seen that, you guys should definitely check that video out. I'll link it right up here. So maybe we just came at a good time, but I'm sure and I know normally this place is crawling with tourists. Like, there's no way it's not. So beautiful. So beautiful. Okay, so I just went to go put the drone up, and unfortunately this is a restricted area because the airport goes directly like in line with it, so it's not possible to fly here, unfortunately. But either way, amazing experience. Hopefully you guys can enjoy it through the regular GoPro footage and at least experience a bit of this. But quite the place. Like I said, it's just amazing the fact that we have this all to ourselves right now with such little tourism. I did actually in fact find out that those are the days of the week poses here at the bottom of the statue, because they had the same poses down at the bottom where you could throw a donation box in. So alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap up this video right here. If you found any of this information useful or you enjoyed this video at all, make sure you smash that like button. If you're interested in seeing some more videos here in Thailand, make sure you turn that notification bell on, subscribe. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers, my big goal for out here, so please help me do that. But until next time, Kampung Krab.